Let's start with the setup. So Claude Code is available for all the operating systems, and this is the Claude Code documentation link. And here you will find some commands for Windows and Mac as well that you can simply copy and paste to install Claude Code on your system. So right now I am in a new project in Antigravity, but you can also use Cursor or Visual Studio Code. It is all up to you, because the thing that really matter in this course is how we can use Claude Code in our editors. So here let me tell you, I have just created a simple React Native project. I will attach documentation link if you also want to create React Native project. So whether it is a mobile app or a web app, the process of connecting Claude Code with these editors are almost same. So now my plan is to run Claude Code inside the Antigravity, or maybe in your case it can be Cursor or it can be Visual Studio Code. So any editor actually uses its built-in integration. That's why we are using the Claude Code extension for Claude Code to interact with the Antigravity. Same you have to do with the Cursor or with the Visual Studio Code as well. In my case, I am using Antigravity. So now I am going to search this extension from here. Just type Claude, click on that and install this extension. In my case, I already installed this extension. So now in the future, you should get this integration in any of your new project. Now let's open the terminal and run command Claude. So the first time you run this command, you will see a warning here. Whether this warning is whether you trust this file or folder or not. Of course, this is a very important, because Claude Code will operate your entire project. It means Claude Code will execute certain commands and it reads and writes the code in your project. So always very much carefully check the warnings and then click the options. So here let's select yes. And just by saying yes, I will proceed, and then we are finally inside the Claude Code. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content, and if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye-bye.